Aries, 19th November 2024. Love life today calls for patience in love. In relationships, minor misunderstandings may arise, but they are opportunities to strengthen your bond. Approach conversations with empathy. Singles may encounter someone intriguing, but avoid making quick judgments. Take time to get to know them. Career, unexpected challenges may surface at work, Aries. Keep your cool and tackle issues systematically. Your adaptability will shine if you remain open to alternative solutions. This is not the day for taking risks. Stick to tried and true methods. Well-being, your mind might feel cluttered today. Combat stress with grounding activities like meditation or journaling. A short walk in nature could work wonders for your clarity and mood. Advice: stay patient and adaptable. Focus on steady progress rather than rushing through challenges. Lucky color, crimson. Lucky number, 5. Taurus, 19th November 2024. Love life. There may be a need for compromise in your love life today. If you are in a relationship, ensure you are listening as much as you are speaking. Open dialogue can resolve misunderstandings. For singles, someone you've been interested in may reveal unexpected sides of themselves. Be patient and allow the connection to evolve naturally. Career, a practical approach will serve you well today. You might face a few minor obstacles, but your ability to stay calm under pressure will help you overcome them. Focus on breaking down big projects into manageable steps. Supervisors or coworkers may seek your advice, so be ready to share your insights. Well-being, stress might creep in if you take on too much today. Be sure to prioritize tasks and take breaks when needed. Physical relaxation, such as a warm bath or light stretching, can help you recharge. Advice: patience and persistence are key. Don't let minor challenges throw you off track. Slow and steady wins the race. Lucky color, forest green. Lucky number, 8. Gemini, 19th November 2024. Love life, conversations depend today, Gemini. If you are in a relationship, meaningful discussions can bring clarity and strengthen your connection. Singles may find themselves captivated by someone who shares their interests. Pay attention to conversations that spark joy and curiosity. Career, your communication skills take center stage, making this a great day for presentations, negotiations, or brainstorming sessions. Your ideas will be well received, so don't hesitate to share your insights. Be mindful of details, as small oversights could lead to delays. Well-being, mental stimulation is key for you today. Dive into a new book, podcast, or creative project to keep your mind engaged. Avoid overstimulation by setting boundaries with technology. Advice: let your words flow, but be sure to listen as well. Great conversations are as much about understanding as they are about expressing yourself. Lucky color, light blue. Lucky number, 2. Cancer, 19th November 2024. Love life, expect a wave of emotional warmth in your love life today. If you are in a relationship, it's a perfect day for deepening your connection and enjoying each other's company. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who shares similar values and emotional depth. Career, your nurturing side is shining through at work. You may find yourself offering guidance or support to colleagues. This is a day to show leadership through empathy and patience. You may also gain recognition for your caring approach, so don't be afraid to step up. Well-being, emotional clarity is your strength today, Cancer. Take time for introspection to better understand your needs and desires. Engage in activities that promote emotional well-being, like journaling or spending time in nature. Advice: take the time to nurture yourself and others. Your emotional intelligence is one of your greatest strengths today, so trust in it. Lucky color, silver. Lucky number, 7. Leo, 19th November 2024. Love life. Today, Leo, you may find that your love life feels a bit more intense than usual. If you are in a relationship, avoid letting small issues escalate. Take a step back and have a calm conversation to address any underlying feelings. Singles may feel drawn to someone with an intriguing personality. Approach with care, as this connection may take time to develop. Career: in your professional life, it's a day for precision and attention to detail. Focus on the tasks at hand and avoid distractions. Your hard work will be noticed, but it's crucial to be thorough in everything you do. It's a good time to clean up any loose ends. Well-being: your energy is steady today, but emotionally, you may need to guard against stress. If you feel overwhelmed, take a break and engage in something calming like reading or listening to music. Nurture your mind as much as you nurture your body. Advice: maintain balance today. When conflicts arise, focus on resolving them calmly and efficiently. Your ability to stay composed will bring clarity to any situation. Lucky color, gold. Lucky number, 3. Virgo, 19th November 2024. Love life. Today, Virgo, your emotional world may feel a bit more intense. If you are in a relationship, avoid being overly critical. Try to practice patience with your partner. If you are single, you might be drawn to someone who is not your usual type. Stay open-minded and let things develop naturally. Career: there may be a shift in your work environment today. This change could be external, such as a new project or a new team member, or it could be a shift in your own mindset about a current job situation. Be adaptable and embrace the opportunity to grow through these changes. Well-being: your mind may feel scattered today, so try to focus on grounding activities. Meditation or yoga could help you center your thoughts and find peace. Prioritize rest and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Your body will thank you for it. Advice: adaptability will be your strength today. While things may feel chaotic, trust that you have the ability to navigate through it by staying calm and flexible. Lucky color, beige. Lucky number, 9. Libra, 19th November 2024. Love life. Today, Libra, there may be some tension in your love life. If you are in a relationship, avoid unnecessary conflicts by keeping your emotions in check. Communication is key, but be mindful of how you express your thoughts. If you are single, you might feel torn between the desire for companionship and the need for independence. Take time to reflect on your needs. Career: at work, you may face some unexpected challenges today. You'll need to be flexible and adaptable to handle any surprises. Trust your instincts to navigate these situations and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Today's challenges can turn into learning opportunities if you keep an open mind. Well-being: your well-being might need some attention today, especially if you feel mentally or emotionally drained. It's a good time to retreat into solitude and engage in self-care. Activities like journaling or taking a quiet walk will help you find your center again. Advice: tensions may arise, but don't let them overwhelm you. Stay calm and focus on constructive conversations. Your ability to balance perspectives will guide you through any challenges. Lucky color: rose pink. Lucky number: 6. Scorpio, 19th November 2024. Love life. Today, Scorpio, your love life may experience some ups and downs. If you are in a relationship, you might find yourself at odds with your partner over small issues. Try not to overreact, take a step back and engage in calm, constructive dialogue. For singles, it may be a day to reflect on past relationships and what you need from a future partner. Career: at work, you may encounter some obstacles or delays. While it might feel frustrating, remember that these delays may offer a chance for reassessment. It's a good time to review your goals and strategies. You may find that some adjustments are needed to get things back on track. Well-being: emotionally, you may feel more vulnerable today, Scorpio. It's important to allow yourself space to process any heavy emotions. Engage in self-care routines that help you unwind, such as taking a walk or journaling. Physical activity can also help release tension and improve your mood. Advice: stay patient and don't let small challenges derail your progress. Take things one step at a time and don't be afraid to ask for support if needed. Lucky color: maroon. Lucky number: 4. Sagittarius, 19th November 2024. Love life. Sagittarius, today you might find yourself feeling more introspective in your love life. If you are in a relationship, you may have some serious conversations about your future goals or the direction your relationship is heading. For singles, there may be an urge to take a step back and reflect on what you truly want in a partner. Career: at work, today brings a sense of clarity. If you've been feeling unsure about your current path, expect to gain some insights that help you make more informed decisions. It's a good day to assess your progress and determine if your career goals align with your personal values. Well-being: emotionally, today could feel a bit heavy as you dive deep into your thoughts. While introspection can be valuable, make sure you are balancing it with activities that help lift your mood. Physically, be mindful of your energy levels, take breaks when needed to avoid burnout. Advice: today is about reflection. Use this time to reassess what's truly important to you and make sure you are taking steps toward it. Lucky color: indigo. Lucky number: 1. Capricorn, 19th November 2024. Love life. Capricorn, today may bring a need for emotional expression in your relationship. If you are in a committed partnership, you might feel a deeper need to connect emotionally with your partner. If you are single, you may crave more meaningful and emotionally fulfilling connections. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Your sincerity will attract the right kind of energy. Career: at work, today is a day for strategic thinking. You may find that your approach to challenges is particularly logical and pragmatic. Use your natural problem-solving abilities to navigate any roadblocks. It could be a good time to assess your long-term career path and make adjustments to align with your goals. Well-being: emotionally, you may feel a bit overwhelmed by your responsibilities today. Be sure to prioritize your mental health by setting healthy boundaries and taking time for yourself. A little self-care goes a long way, even if it's just a few moments of peace during a busy day. Advice: take a step back today to reflect on your emotional needs and create space to nurture your well-being. Use your strategic mindset to plan for both personal and professional growth. Lucky color, dark brown. Lucky number, 10. Aquarius, 19th November 2024. Love life, Aquarius, today brings a calm and harmonious energy to your relationships. If you are in a partnership, it's a good day for deepening your emotional connection. For singles, you might feel a sense of peace in your love life, even if you are not currently dating. Reflect on what you truly want from relationships. Career: in your career, today is about networking and building connections. Whether it's a casual chat or a formal meeting, new opportunities could arise through your social circles. You might not expect it, but today could bring a potential career breakthrough. Be open to collaborating with others. Well-being: your mental health is the focus today, Aquarius. It's a great time to take a break from your usual routines and engage in activities that rejuvenate your mind. Consider journaling, meditation, or a creative hobby to find your inner peace. Physically, a balanced day of exercise and rest will help you feel recharged. Advice: use today to strengthen your relationships and create space for new opportunities. Trust that the connections you build now will benefit you in the long run. Lucky color, teal. Lucky number, 11. Pisces, 19th November 2024. Love life, Pisces, today you may feel a deep desire to connect with your partner or a potential romantic interest on a spiritual level. If you are in a relationship, conversations about your values and dreams for the future could bring you closer. For singles, you might meet someone who shares your love for deep, meaningful connections. Career: your career could see a burst of creativity today. Whether you are working on a project or brainstorming new ideas, trust that your intuition will guide you. If you are feeling inspired, now is the time to act on it. Your innovative ideas will impress those around you, so don't hold back. Well-being: today is a good day for self-care and relaxation. If you are feeling a bit emotionally overwhelmed, spend time doing something that brings you peace, like journaling, meditating, or listening to music. Physically, focus on nurturing your body with nourishing food and staying hydrated. Advice: embrace your creativity today and don't be afraid to dive into new ideas. Focus on nurturing your inner peace and emotional well-being as much as your career. Lucky color, sea green. Lucky number, 12.